In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export PDF tables to Excel from Adobe Acrobat. Let's get started inside Adobe Acrobat. Open the application and make sure you have the PDF you want to work with ready to go. If you see a sample PDF in your recent files, you can use that for practice, but this process works the same for any document that contains a table. For the best results, pick a PDF with clearly structured rows and columns. If your file is a scanned image, Acrobat may prompt you to recognize text. Let it complete that so the table can be interpreted correctly. With your PDF open, look along the top toolbar for the option labeled Convert. In some versions, you might see Export PDF instead, which is the same idea. Click it to open the export options. This is where we tell Acrobat exactly what kind of file we want to create. Choose Microsoft Excel as the target format. Acrobat will display it as an Excel workbook, typically the XLSX format. Selecting this ensures your data lands in a spreadsheet that preserves table structure as much as possible, including column headers and basic formatting. If there are multiple tables in your PDF, Acrobat will attempt to detect each one and place them into the Excel file appropriately. Now click the option to convert to XLSX. Acrobat will analyze your document to detect table boundaries, columns, and rows. This step may take a moment, especially for larger files. If the PDF includes rotated pages, shaded headers, or merged cells, don't worry. Acrobat will do its best to interpret them, and you can fine-tune in Excel afterward. When prompted, browse to the location where you want to save the exported file. Choose a folder you can easily find later, such as your desktop or a dedicated project folder, and give the file a clear name that reflects its contents. Good naming helps when you're working with multiple exports or versions. Click Save to complete the export. Acrobat will generate the Excel workbook and, depending on your settings, may open it automatically. If it doesn't, navigate to the folder you chose and open the file in Excel. Take a quick look to confirm the columns line up, headers are in place, and numbers are recognized as numbers. Minor adjustments, like widening columns or reformatting dates, are normal after any conversion. That's all there is to it. Open your PDF in Acrobat, use Convert to choose Microsoft Excel, convert to XLSX, pick your save location, and save. With these steps, you can move table data from a PDF into a fully editable Excel sheet in just a few clicks.